Hi, I'm Kelly Chesser. I'm COO at Radiant Credit Union. I've been there for about 19 years, and I currently am in the operations area, but have also served in finance. We've got 10 branches. We proudly serve 22 counties in North Central Florida. We have 49,000 members currently and $875 million in assets. So our partnership with Alkami started about 3 years ago, and it's been hands down one of the best partnerships that I've ever experienced, especially on the conversion side. I've been through many e-banking conversions, core conversions, things like that in my career, and Alkami was really good about holding our hand throughout the process and making it smooth, regardless of if it was connecting with another vendor and getting that conversion done or just converting from our old e-banking platform to our new one. So it was very rewarding. It was a seamless rollout to our membership with no issues at all. But then going forward with that, our partnership, basically, I think of the Alkami team as my employees, because that's how involved you guys are in our business and how much you care. Rhonda and Laura and the team there do a great job of reaching out, making sure they know what our strategic plan is. That way they can figure out how Alkami can fit into that strategic plan and provide products and services that will help us move forward in the industry. There's so many, but I'll just name a few. Recently, we partnered with Alkami probably about a year ago for payments. We integrated our debit and ACH into the e-banking platform for seamless payments for our members. And we also just went live with FedNow RTP, send and receive. We're one of the only credit unions in North Central Florida actually sending right now. And we've been able to pick up a lot of non-interest income from providing that service to our members. And our members love it because they can instantly move their money to other financial institutions at the touch of their fingertips. Another product is Unify Money. So we were looking for wealth management for our membership, but we didn't want to do the traditional bring an investor in-house and have them in our offices. We wanted to go digital so we could compete with the different companies that are out there like Robinhood. So with Unify Money, we were able to offer robo-advisory, fractional trading of stocks, as well as EFT and precious metals. And that's been a great partnership, as well as we were one of the betas there. And it was the best beta process that we have ever been through. And we were ahead of time, or ahead of schedule, if you will, on the implementation, which normally does not happen. So we were really excited about that. And then we've also partnered with Legal Karma. So we're providing estates, wills, and trusts to our membership digitally. They just go online, fill out the questions inside of our e-banking platform, and then they produce their documentation, which they can have notarized. And that's been another game changer for us, because a lot of the documents we're seeing from our members weren't actually legally binding. So this allows us to make sure that they are legally binding and good for our members. Our back office team, I would say just the ticketing and support with Alkami has been very easy. If we have an issue, we can get ahead of it because your team is very responsive. With the business products, we've rolled out the full fleet there. So the business ACH origination has been awesome. And the way it integrates, our accounting team picks it up and sends it straight to the Fed. And so that's been very seamless. And then member-centric. So we weren't member-centric at our old platform. And going member-centric with Alkami has allowed our membership to see all of their accounts at Radiant and really be able to see their full financial picture, which has been tremendous. And from that side, for our employees, it makes them explaining the platform a lot easier. It's a lot more simple. So our employees don't have to take a lot of time to figure out how the e-banking product works in order to share it with our members. Really, it's with the partnerships that we've done with the various products. So we make sure and keep an eye on what Alkami's roadmap is, as well as the various partners you guys have partnered with. Our team at Alkami does a really good job, like I said, of knowing what our strategic plan is and letting us know who is out there that provides that service. Alkami knows their partners best, and so it takes away the friction, if you will, of us going and finding those partners. You guys bring them to us. We get to meet them and then decide if it's right for our organization. And that's been a differentiator for our membership because, like I said, we've got FedNow RTP for our members. We've got Unify Money and Investment Platform. We've got Legal Karma and all the other services where our members can do their banking wherever they are across the United States, in their home, from their couch. Everything is inside of their phone, which everybody has their phone with them today. And so I really think that sets us apart. So success for us, we measure from member reviews, what they think about the platform, what products and features they want, or if there's friction, how we can improve it. But really just member retention and watching the usage of the online banking go up and really monitoring the various products that we roll out, how often they're used, making sure they're in the right place, if you will, in the member or in the menu of our e-banking platform, as well as the traditional KPIs, right? But that's really, I think, member reviews and just the retention and product usage is the best measure. So we just signed a contract for Segment. And so we're really excited to get that implemented and get it going so we can have marketing campaigns constantly running in the background and really deliver them to the member that needs it when they need it based off of the data. So we have that. In addition, we are also looking with our team at just the artificial intelligence, right? And how we can partner that in with our e-banking platform to provide the service to the members that they want.